Yeah, check it out. Here's a frame I already built. You see I got a piece on the table. This thing's already tacked together as well. I'm using this as my master. And I got a drawing that's on the table that I built this master on top of. So here we go. Here it is, all done. Now we're gonna get into the hard welding. Well, here it is. All right, here we are back in the shop. I'm just trying to finish up these railing sections. And today, I'm getting this section of brass tapped and drilled and put on. And I've got these brass screws here. And they go up through the bottom. This hole that we made. And thread into the brass tapped and drilled hole. Looks pretty good, looks pretty good.